Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today, we are going to show you how to change and clean out the bag on a Hayward Trivac 500 and 700. Stay tuned. And we're back. So, Hayward Trivac 500 and 700, this video is going to work on. So, what I'm going to show you today is how to clean out the bag properly and how to install the bag properly. So first things first, if you've already got your cleaner bag installed like this, there's a little button on the top here. So if I show you here, you just literally can put your finger right through here and that loosens the actual spring lip. So you just grab it with your thumb, it loosens it up, pulls it apart, and then you can really slide it up. And the whole bag assembly comes apart. So I know what you're gonna wanna do first. You're gonna wanna start reaching your hand in there. That's not what you wanna do. That's not how you wanna clean it. So literally on this plastic piece up here at the top, it says remove with an arrow. You're gonna grab the bag, and you grab the top, and it slides right off. So now it actually has a bigger opening in the top. So then you can actually clean out your bag in the trash can. So the double mesh system is not meant for you to start just throwing your hand up there and cleaning it out, especially when you got little rodents floating around your pool. This is the easier way to clean it out is take this piece off, open it up, and clean it out. To put it back on, it's just like you removed it, but opposite. So we're actually going to, can't do it that way, so I'm gonna go over here and do it this way. Or I had it backwards. So there's only one way to do this. So literally it starts to slide on, and it locks in. It's kind of like a little mini lock. It's not like perfect or anything, so because you can obviously still do this, but you'll feel it hit that little last notch. So then now that I got that on, to put it back onto your cleaner, there's actually a groove in here that you want to slide it into. So let me actually turn this backwards, and I'll hold this up like this. So actually it just slides in, and then the top will actually go right back into this little clip. So that's it. So today we emptied out the bag on a Hayward Trivac 500 and 700. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.